Hello, myself Kandar Patel. My roll number is 097. Today I am going to show you a brief demo of my project, ebook system. So this is a login page of my system. Let's first of all log in as an admin. So this is the email ID of admin and password is 123456. So let's enter this. Click on the sign in button to log in. So this is a home page of our admin. Now if you want to do user management, then go to the admin and click on view users. So these are all the users that are currently in our system. If you want to delete any user or restrict any user, click on the delete button. So we have successfully restricted our users. Now if you want to see the books that have been uploaded by your users, click on users, then go to the books. So these are all the books that can be uploaded by our user. Now if you want to delete any book, so click on this, click on delete. OK. So that have been successfully deleted. Now if you want to upload your book, click on this and this, drop any file here. So let's upload this file. So our file has been successfully uploaded. Let's refresh this page. So this is the file that have been uploaded just now. Now if you want to download any file that have been uploaded by users, then click on download. So our file has been successfully downloaded. If you want to see this page in a list view, then click on this. So this will be in the list view. Now if you want to do your profile management, then go to the user, click on my profile. Now here you can change your details or update your details. First, now let's change your profile picture. So our profile picture has been uploaded. Now click on update to save the changes. So our profile picture has been successfully changed. Now click on this and for logout click on sign out button. So we have successfully signed out. Now let's log in as a normal user. So this is an email ID for normal user. Let's enter password 123456. Click on sign in. So this is a home page of our normal user. So if you want to see all the books that have been uploaded by all the users, go to the books, then go to free books. So here it is, all the books that have been uploaded by our other users. Now if you want to upload your book, go to this button. Now upload any PDF. Here you can upload image also. So our files have been successfully uploaded. Now let's refresh this page. Now if you want to read any book, click on this. So our PDF has been successfully loaded. Now if you want to see this image, then click on this. If you want to download any book, click on this and download. So our PDF has been successfully downloaded. Here you can change your website theme to dark mode also. So this is a quick demo of our project ebook system. Thank you.